This is a scale that Bangalore has never measured before. Welcome to Bangalore's biggest township development by Prestige. Welcome to Prestige Raintree Park. This is Bangalore's biggest launch, and today in the next 6 minutes, we will break down this upcoming property in terms of residential as well as investment option for you. Raintree Park is spread across a whopping 21 acres with 1368 units, ground plus 19 floors elevation, with the possession of this property expected by December 2028. This property offers luxury-laden 3, 4 and 5 BHK homes. Currently, 9 towers will be launched for this project in phase 1. Out of these, towers 12, 13, 14, 17 and 18 having 4 BHK homes will have a premium balcony view of the Varthur Lake. This property will also have a massive clubhouse of 1 lakh square feet where you can host parties and celebrations with kin and friends. Location. Before coming to other amenities and specifications, let's discuss the location advantage of this property first and how you can be at one of the most advantageous addresses of Bangalore. Personally, as I travel daily for work to meet clients, therefore, I would always choose a property that is close to any main road to script as much traffic as I can. Making it even better, Prestige Raintree Park is situated just next to the Whitefield main road, with the outer ring road being a 15-minute drive from the location. On top of that, it is only 800 meters away from the Nexus Whitefield Mall, so you can take your family there. Plus, the property is close to major IT parks and hubs, so your work life is sorted. Located at a very premium location with schools, hospitals within 5 km away, making it a reliable place to live or even invest. Since we have touched the investment angle along with the residential project, Prestige Group is also constructing their massive commercial tech park, Prestige Tech Forest, spanning over 17 acres, which will give a massive appreciation to the value of your property. Now coming to the configuration of the property, we will discuss the 3 and 4 BHK units of this property, and the configurations of the units are as follows. 3 BHK with 3 toilets and a home office has 7 variants starting 2187 square feet and going up to 2414 square feet. 4 BHK with 3 toilets and a home office ranges from 2451 square feet and goes up to 2586 square feet. 4 BHK with 4 toilets plus home office has 4 variants starting from 2924 square feet and up to 2956 square feet. 4 BHK plus 4 toilets plus home office plus studio, which can also be called a 5 BHK, starting 3353 square feet, goes up till 3379 square feet. Amenities. Along with the spacious configurations, this property also gets you a plethora of amenities for a luxury-filled and, more importantly, comfortable life. Residents have access to a wide range of facilities including temperature-controlled swimming pools. You get 3 pools, a fitness center with state-of-the-art equipments and machinery up to date with the latest standards of staying in shape and regular workouts. Clubhouse. One of the USPs of this project is the grand clubhouse being constructed for this project, measuring 1 lakh square feet. You will also enjoy your evenings or early mornings in the project's landscape gardens. Your kids will have a great time in the dedicated children's play area, and not to mention, you will get 24/7 surveillance and security for you and your family. Investment potential. Before buying any property, it is very essential to check the income potential of the property. Although this property will give you a great capital appreciation in the form of overall value of the property, but also if we talk about the possible rental income for this property, a 4 BHK unit in reputed townships like this one bring in around 90,000 to 1 lakh in rental value every month. So after 4 years, by the time of possession, investors will easily get a rental value of 1.2 lakh to 1.6 lakh, adjusting the growth factor. I know this project must have intrigued you. So for more details and to schedule a site visit, give us a call on 998 33 00044. Don't forget to like the video and comment which property you want us to cover next, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.